next time you see a battery symbol in your vehicle, stop driving your vehicle because the alternator is about to fail. This is the alternator. First, remove the cover and then remove the battery terminal for both terminals, positive, negative, insulated, and then use a breaker bar to loosen the tensioner so that you'll be able to remove this alternator. Then next, remove both terminals using a 13mm socket, followed by the harness. You need a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and then push it up and remove the harness. Then use a level to remove the other two bolts. Then tight spaces, difficult, took some time, but yet it can come out by using the right angle. Then tighten it back using the breaker bar, the new one unit. Snap it back into position, replace the insulation, then use a breaker bar to actually align the belting. Make sure it's properly aligned. Thank you.